Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how you can short your Bitcoin on your Binance application step by step. Our first step is opening up Binance. Once on Binance, we'll be heading over to the Futures menu, where we simply select USDM, not Coin-M. We're selecting USDM, and our reason for that is simply because USDM involves trading USDT and BUSD, while Coin-M involves trading other cryptocurrency assets. So now once on USDS-M, you select your cryptocurrency by simply clicking on this left and right arrow right here. You select the token you would like to trade, being BTC. And once you've selected BTC, you can set your leverage, which is on one time. You can set it to 25, 26, 7,500, whatever. Okay, guys, and once you've selected BTC, you can simply choose between cross and isolated margins. The margin modes are there to define your positions and assets and the rest of those good stuff. I won't get into that, but once you're done with that, we're using cross. For the purpose of this video, we'll be using cross margin. You simply click on sell, which is the same thing as short. You enter the amount of BTC you'd like to use. And in order for you to do that, you simply click on this arrow right here and you transfer from your spot wallet to your USDS-M futures wallet. So you simply click on BTC, max, confirm transfer, and you enter a position right here. And in order to actually or accurately mark your position, you click on this candlesticks icon right here and you simply select a position you'd like to enter. Let's say when BTC USDT gets to 30,000 or wherever you'd like to sell at that point, you simply click on sell. You enter the amount of BTC you'd like to use. You click on advanced. This CP/SL stands for your take profit and stop loss. You set your take profit at, since we're going to be selling, our take profit should be lower. So you set your take profit at 25,000. Set your stop loss at 28,000. And you simply click on sell. And once you've clicked on sell, your order will be opened down here. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can short Bitcoin on the Binance mobile application, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.